Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Debian Linux 13.3. But the process is same on all Debian Linux 13 versions. Then we will connect from DBViewer and MySQL Workbench. Okay. So first open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux 13, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Then click on downloads. Scroll down. Click on MySQL Community Downloads, then click on MySQL Community Server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.8 LTS version. Select it. If you are unable to find the version, click on Archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Debian Linux, then select the OS version. I am on Debian Linux 13, so select it. If you are on 12, select 12. Okay. Scroll down. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Click on download. Click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 479 megabytes and it is star file. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.8. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. Now extract this tar file, tar-exec, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them, but before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install libaio-dev makeup -ipadic-utf8. I will keep this command in the video description. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Ctrl ls. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. Remember this password, later we need this password. Re-enter the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is installed. It is active and running. It is started 22 seconds ago. It is enabled. Q to Git. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.8. You can also verify the version by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Create database. Provide the name of the database. Here bank is the database name. Verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use is the keyword, then provide the name of the database. Now verify tables in this database. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. See, we have created table customer. Now insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we'll see list of the users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. We have created user. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session, connect to MySQL with this new user. MySQL -u, new username is David-p. Then provide the password. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.8 on Debian Linux. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service is inactive at that. We have stopped it 7 seconds. If we took it, we can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. Okay. Control A. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBWord. Those are the most popular tools. In this video I will show you how to connect MySQL server from the DBWord. If you want to install MySQL Workbench, go back. See here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Then select the Ubuntu Linux. Then download and install. So we have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore. Remove them to clear the space. rm start.deb ls. We have one more file removed. rm MySQL, press the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. I have already installed DBWord. See here, I have already installed. Click on it to open. Close this one. Now click on this new database connection or go to database and select new database connection. Both are same. Then select the MySQL. Then click on next. MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. We have database bank. Root user is there. Then provide the password of this root account. Then click on text connection. Download driver files. Select, click on download. See, this is the expected error. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Now go to driver properties. Then see here, by default this allow public key retrieval is false. Make it to true. Then click on text connection. See, successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.8. Okay. Click on finish. Now expand this MySQL connection. Expand databases. Expand users. See here, these are the users. You want to run queries against this database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now run the queries. Select star from customer. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay. Even we can create database or we can perform whatever the actions that we can perform on MySQL command line client. Okay. For MySQL Workbench, you can search for my YouTube channel. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 on Debian Linux 13.3. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.